Decimals represent fractions with denominators of 10, 100, and 1000. To make a decimal into a fraction, we can read it out loud to hear its word form. Here, if we look at our grid, we can see the decimal 3/10 is shaded. In word form, that means we have the value 3/10. If we want to write 3/10 in fraction form, we can start by looking at the place value. Tenths is my place value, so that's going to be my denominator. 3 is my number, so that's going to be my numerator. So in fraction form, 3/10 is written as 3/10. So both 3/10 as a decimal and 3/10 as a fraction express the same value. Here on our hundredths grid, we have the decimal 25 hundredths. If we read that aloud in word form, we have 25 hundredths. To write that in fraction form, we can start with the place value. The place value is going to be our denominator. So we have a denominator of hundredths, so that's a denominator of 100. The numerator is going to be our number, 25. So in fraction form, we have the fraction 25 hundredths. Now when we work with this fraction, we also need to think about lowest terms. 25 hundredths isn't in lowest terms, so we can simplify it. If we looked for the greatest common factor of 25 and 100, we would see that they're both divisible by 25. So to simplify 25 hundredths into lowest terms, I'm going to divide both my numerator and my denominator by 25. When I do that, that gives me 1/4. So the decimal 25 hundredths is equivalent to the fraction 1/4 because that's 25 hundredths in lowest terms. Check out the other videos in our playlist and don't forget to click on subscribe. Thanks for watching!